You guys are worried about this vitiligo so much and so much of suffering because of this. It's time to say goodbye to vitiligo. Yes, I have the solution for you. I am Suresh Machu, founder of Machu Clinics, and I am one of the member of American Academy of Micropigmentation, and I am a certified artist from there. And we have treated 50,000 plus vitiligo clients as of now, and we have got their actual skin color back by merging out their white patches. Yes, you heard me completely right. Our new advanced technique called nanopigmentation technique, we are the only people in the world doing this technique, and we can able to recover your skin back with no matter of time. Yes, many of them get scared about, is it give any side effects, will this going to spread more, or why this is happening and how to avoid this. Yes, don't worry, we have a solution for you. In this video, I am going to show you the real-time live process how we are doing this treatment. Do watch this video completely. Contact us if you have any more doubts regarding this treatment. Hello everyone, it's happy to see you all in this new vitiligo cover-up patch session. So I'm going to show you in a real-time live process how we are going to cover this vitiligo white patch. And if you guys have any more doubts regarding this vitiligo treatment, or if you want to book an appointment with us for this vitiligo nanopigmentation treatment, please do contact us in the display number, which is 96599599593. Our team will happily help you out. And I would like to say we are getting clients from all over the world, from different countries also, and I would like to inform everyone to please book an appointment prior before you come down to the studio. So in that way you can avoid the waiting time, as well as you will get the exclusive service from our dedicated artists. So in that way you can get the much more better output, correct? And many of them thinking it's similar to the tattooing process, but it is not. It requires a complete of experience, and I am an American Academy of Micropigmentation member. I'm a certified member over there, and I did this certification from that American Academy of Micropigmentation. Then we doing this treatment since 2009, and we have keep on upgraded our certification every 2 years, 3 years once. So this is how the process has been happening continuously. So if you guys have any more doubts regarding this treatment, please do contact us. Our team will be happy to help you out. And many of them commonly asking, will this cause any side effects? No, it's a zero side effects. You no need to worry at all, because the ink which we'll be using is a vegan certified organic ink, which will be completely goes match with the exact skin. And because of this, there won't be any spreading happens. As you can see the output, our pigmentation is completely matching with her existing skin tone. That's the beauty about it. And the maintenance is very easy. You don't need to worry about the maintenance a lot. It's much more easier to do it. And I hope you guys have liked this video. I'll meet you guys in the next session.